Happy Daily Flames Thursday! So, it's evening time, and I'm just going to go ahead and take this opportunity to talk to people as they come on because it's off of our regular schedule. And so I've decided that when we do a Daily Flames that is not in the morning, evening, impromptu, I'm going to be interactive, and I'm going to say hi as people come on, and then, you know, this is kind of like the real what goes on. So I'm trying to make my food, jam-packed day, so I am fueling right now to do the rest of my check-ins, so emails and all that kind of stuff, and messages and all that good stuff. And Louie says hi. But I thought I would share with you guys, one, cooking lamb, okay? So we're gonna get this guy right on. So lamb, I just got let's see, raised without antibiotics, no added hormones, okay? Yum! Lamb is delicious, and it's super easy. So, and when it's on sale, it's like a super bonus. Organic extra virgin olive oil. There's enough fat on that lamb, you know, to suffice and make it not stick, but I really like it like not. So I'd really just put a drop in there. Oh yeah. See that? Sizzle? Okay, so, and then I open my lamb that Louie really wants to sample really bad. And I just do it super simple. So garlic salt. Garlic salt. Louie, stop. Garlic salt. I salt both sides, so I just salted one side. Salted one side of my delicious little lamb. That sizzle is what you want, okay? Hi, Teresa! I was so excited to see you. I have to see what is going on because Teresa has a lot of new exciting endeavors happening right now too. You guys know that I love to support other women, other people, you know, like living out their passions and their dreams. And Teresa is on a huge endeavor also. Hi, Jessica. Jessica, we're cooking lamb. I don't know if you have ever cooked lamb before, but it's super easy. So that's gonna sear. I'm gonna go like probably 8 minutes total. So we're gonna let that sear and sizzle. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Let's throw this wrapper in the garbage. And I'm just gonna wash the raw meat off my hands real quick. And then, so lamb is just another option. It's nice to have like variations to what we eat. It doesn't have to be like disgusting dried chicken breast all the freaking time. So hi Sandra! Hi Christy! Nice to see you guys. So we just had our quarter bouncing booty class. Sandra comes to my quarter bouncing booty class also here locally. It's so much fun. Hi James, nice to see you. James, are you gonna bring your motorcycle out here or what? James is an excellent cook. Also, James Crawford has also his own, like, following his passion. Is it just smoking? Is it like smoking and barbecue, James? Like, you should share that stuff. Because I'm sure that you have, like, amazing tips for people, too, on, like, how to cook stuff. I could use those tips right here. Hi, Brooke! So this is my pre-fuel for you know, my evening work. I coach CrossFit kind of in the late afternoon, so you know, I step away from my nutrition coaching to do that. So I have some catch-up work that I usually do on Thursdays and Fridays, but Fridays ends up being, you know, like Friday night it's just too late, too far gone after all that. So, but Thursdays, this is what we do. We eat dinner and we get back to our work. So we got a lamb shoulder in the microwave. Delicious white baked potato. I love white potatoes. Baked with grass-fed butter and sour cream. Yeah, sour cream. Sometimes I'll do plain coconut yogurt, but right now I have sour cream with Just Moving. That is what I have to use and go with, so I'm doing it, and I'm not stressing about it. We know stress is just going to elevate my cortisol, right? And it's going to cause me to hold on to body fat, so I'm not stressing over the stupid little things. And salt. So Oh shit. We're gonna have to cut this short, I think. I had to set off my smoke alarm in my new house and I don't know how to shut it off. And Louie is gonna start going crazy. Oh wait, can I turn a fan on? Okay, we gotta shut that lamp off temporarily. At least it's not still going off. So I got my lamb. I have my white baked potato because that's what I like. And a whole bag of spinach is getting sauteed. It cooks down. I know, Jessica. Go figure, right? It cooks down to almost nothing. So look at this. This is 5 ounces in one. Yeah, I know. Hello, welcome to my world, Teresa. This cooks down to almost nothing, and I love. Like my mouth was watering now thinking of spinach. I put a little olive oil in the bottom of my pan. Saute the spinach. I don't like steaming it. I like sauteed with olive oil. That's how I like it. And salt. Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan pink sea salt. Let's see, what else? I also wanted to let you guys know that the wine issue has been solved. I did find an opener in my car. Who knew I had a wine opener in my car? We did get that fixed. So, while we are waiting for the smoke to go away, we'll talk about committed but flexible. So, I have, I moved. It's been insane. It's been crazy. I was talking to Claudia earlier today, and she said, "What? Your boss didn't give you any vacation days?" And I'm like, can you believe that, bitch? Like, I can't believe she's such a holdback. She didn't give me any vacation days. But no, like, the show must go on, right? So work hasn't stopped. But one thing I've been really working on through this, and packing too, it's just been crazy, this transition. Life gets crazy for all of us, right? It's how it is. So one of the things that I am working on that's really important to me is to keep the daily flames daily, right? Because why are they called daily flames if they're not daily? That is a little bit of a mental block for me because days have gotten crazy. So, got through my day today, the first part of it, and, I was driving home from coaching thinking, oh my God, I can't believe, I let that go by because I was really committed to making this a full week of daily flames, right? Getting back onto that routine. So, it's okay. Because enter committed but flexible, right? So, short-term goals. That's what I really want to get to you, right? So, it's okay that it's not every day, 365 days a week, all right? But a short-term goal, saying Monday through Friday, like, that is more attainable. And I was so excited to be like, okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to get on. We're going to talk about my dinner, getting my lamb together and hopefully helping you guys understand how easy lamb is. And it's so delicious also. But committed but flexible. So you still have your goals, but start with shorter term goals. Break them down. And it's okay that it didn't happen in the morning as long as you get it done within your day. So if it's helpful to you, and not if, I know it's going to be helpful to you. Like, we all have pieces that we're all trying to, put together and make work. Pick one thing that has been a struggle for you and make it a small goal. Make it decide Monday through Friday, I'm going to get this thing done. That is going to catch up with you, okay? It's contagious. The more often you do that, you cross things off that list and you're like, holy cow, I made it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whole week down. It just is inspiring and encourages you to want to go out and get more. We're human. Nobody's perfect here. Right here, I am far from perfect. I have no problem admitting that. But I'm always trying to figure out how can I make it better? What can I improve on, right? So it's okay. It's all right to admit that. It's not a big deal. I don't know everything. So yeah, baby steps, man. Every little step matters. Every little step counts. You want to come over here? You want to give me hugs? Come on up. You want to give me hugs? Come on, hugs. No. Oh, no. He's a love bug. He's tired. He had a rough day trying to hop over the fence today, so. Do you want to come up? You want to give me hugs? Up. It's so small and tight in here. hey guys, I hope you have a great night. I need to figure out my smoke alarm so I can finish cooking my lamb because I'm starving. And I hope you guys have a great night. Get your vegetables on. Look at a bag of spinach. It cooks down to nothing. This is an easy way to get your vegetables in too. All right, talk to you soon.